Action words are in action, folks. Today's action is to sit. That's why in today's Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have oturmak. Oturmak. Oturmak can mean to sit or to fit. Did you expect that? Let's explore some phrases. To sit down at the table, to fit well. Masada oturmak, Əyninə yaxşı oturmaq. Masada at the table, oturmak sit down. Əyninə, ayn is to fit into you, basically. We mean here clothing. Yaxşı is well, good. To fit well, əyninə yaxşı oturmaq. Let's see some sentences. O, düşmənlə eyni masada or eyni masa arxasında oturmağı qəbul etmədi. Remember, masada oturmak or masa arxasında oturmak. I'll explain it. He did not agree to sit at the same table with the enemy, or the other way of saying this, he refused to cooperate or negotiate with the enemy. Let's break it down. O is he or she. I chose he here. You know that. Düşmən is enemy. Düşmənlə with enemy. Eyni masa, the same table. Arxasında means behind. So you can say behind the same table or at the same table. Eyni masada, eyni masa arxasında. Now, oturmak is infinitive form, right? Now you gotta change what did he not accept to sitting. The sitting, basically. That's why it turned into oturmağı. G drops, and this other consonant counterpart comes in. R. Oturmağı, qəbul etmədi, did not accept, did not agree, or poetic way of saying refused. Now, to sit behind the same table, it's the same thing as saying that cooperate, negotiate. That's why we used it here. All right? Let's see another sentence. Bütün bu detallar bir-birilə yaxşı oturur. The infinitive form mark dropped, and we add the present tense oturur. Let's see the translation. All these parts fit well together. See detal, you see over there, bütün bu detallar. Detal is detail or part. Details, parts. Bütün bu, all these. Bir-birilə, together. Yaxşı is well. All these parts fit well together. Bütün bu detallar bir-birilə yaxşı oturur. Alright? That was my way of using oturmak in Azerbaijani sentences. I have another one for you. Ready? After a heroic day of standing all day, my grand plan is oturmak. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for another action word. Until then, check masterozbrilliant.com where I post every 10 days about how to make learning Azerbaijani much more easier. I'll see you there, or I'll see you tomorrow for the new word. Cheers.